Give me your dollar. Give me your dollar. Give it to me. Give me that dollar. Come on. Give it to me. Dear, turn your thing down. This is going on Facebook. Come on, give it to me. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's a damn thief. Come on. Give me your dollar. Birdie. Come on. Don't you chew that dollar up. Come on, give it to me.
People from Louisiana to Florida were watching and worrying today as
give me your dollar.
from the vast spill in the Gulf of Mexico hit an island shore for the first time. And finally,
He's really happy with his theft.
oil gushing from the rig explosion. Tonight, ABC